Good morning, my new crypto fans. I want to update you on two important sessions that we had last night at Consensus. The first one was on will there be a spot ETF for Bitcoin? And the two key speakers were from Grayscale and from Bitwise. And what they both said is that the SEC is working with them, has been working with them. They're really not pushing back. It's just everything is moving at a snail's pace. And both companies do believe at some point there will be a Bitcoin ETF. There's going to be an important day in July for Grayscale where the SEC will come to a decision, so watch for July 6th. And Bitwise should also have something coming from the SEC in July. So July might be a big month for information on a spot which is kind of similar to the cash ETF. And personally, I think that would be huge. According to Bitwise, they think if there is an ETF that's issued for spot Bitcoin, it can grow faster than the gold ETF, which was one of the fastest growing ETFs. They actually raised $1 billion in the first year. Now, the second session was the CEO of Fidelity. And what I learned is that Fidelity actually started getting into the crypto space in 2014, maybe even a little bit earlier. She was trained as a contrarian. They started looking at the space. They created like a little task force, and they came up with 52 use cases and started looking into them. And what's interesting, in order to learn the space around 2014, they actually went into mining, and they didn't do it for profit. They just did it to learn the space. They invested $200,000 to just get into the space. So Fidelity seems very committed to the blockchain crypto DeFi space. And that really is important because they recently announced that they're going to allow Bitcoin in 401ks. That they found, it's kind of like a loophole, but it's factual, that they should be allowed to put Bitcoin in a 401k. So those are my two Cliff Note updates from yesterday. I'm headed out now for a second day of sessions, and I'll be posting and giving you updates. So everyone have a great day, and I hope to see you on my next session. Goodbye.